Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. And today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen on the top left corner, you're gonna find Settings option. Tap on it, then you can see categories like Manage, Support, Inspiration, About, etc. Well, under Support, you can see the first option, Contact Us. If you tap on it, you're gonna have to go ahead and give your email address, add a subject while you're contacting them, then a description, then tap on Submit from the bottom of your screen, or simply go back and you can find the Photoleap's Instagram, TikTok, Discord and Twitter. You can message them on those platforms as well. And guys, that's it. That's how you contact Photoleap on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.